अहिंसा प्रथमं पुष्पं पुष्पमिन्द्रियनिग्रहः सर्वभूतदया पुष्पं सत्यपुष्पं विशेषतः ज्ञानपुष्पं तपः पुष्पं क्षमा पुष्पं तदैव च ध्यानं च एव अष्टमं पुष्पं येभिः दुष्यति केशव
Hi Janaki Ramaya.
Sai Ram. Hanumanta and Maruti, what are you twins doing here? Why are you roaming around the office without doing your work and disturbing others? Don't you think you have to do justice to the salary you take?
Sorry. We made a mistake coming to your seat. We should punish ourselves for this mistake.
Go to your seats and do your work sincerely.
Hey, look! Curtain riser for today's drama has started.
You mean our union leader Nagaraju has entered the office premises?
Yes, he's coming.
Oh, what is this running commentary? I'm getting headache, man.
I know. Since you don't like our leader, your head starts aching when we take his name.
Don't create any misconceptions. I don't have any likes or dislikes against any individual, okay?
See, our officer Anandrao also came to greet him with a broad smile. I think he too doesn't want to have any differences with our union leader so that he can survive peacefully.
It's not him only, Maruti. Everyone in an office want to be in the good books of Nagaraju. That's why they want to welcome him with a pleasant face and a broad smile.
This Janaki Ramaya is the only exception.
He's coming close to us. Let's stop this running commentary and give him a warm smile.
Yeah, come. Sir, good morning.
Namaste, sir.
Hi, twin brothers. How are you? I'm impressed seeing you both. Let's go to our union office.
Why, sir? Any special reason?
I'll tell you. Does everyone in the office respects me? You should be knowing.
Everyone has a lot of respect for you. We really can't express how much. Your words are Bible for everyone.
I don't know about this Gita and Bible. It's all bouncers to me. Just tell me one thing. Does everyone in the office respects me without any exceptions?
Except Janaki Ramaya, sir.
Just hold on. Don't call him by sir. Yes, I am referring to him only. Whenever I enter the office, the whole office stands up and salutes me. This Janaki Ramaya ignores me and my very existence.
Yes, sir. He is of a different kind. He is the odd man out in our office.
If he is the odd man, let him be at his home. Why to come to office? If he wants to work, he should know how to respect his union leaders. You both go and tell him and set him right. Else, I'll teach him a lesson with my actions.
We will try our level best, sir.
Enemy should be totally wiped off. Now, we should both go and bring him to me.
Yes, sir. We will try our level best.
Just a minute. He is a stubborn person. To kill a small snake also, we need a big stick. If he doesn't concede, I'll show him stars in the day.
What does that mean, sir?
Which is the foremost branch in our jurisdiction?
Is it Advikondapalli?
Yes. Tell him that I will transfer him there. Seeing my wild side, he should beg me and fall on my feet. Tell him to change his behavior. Else, he will regret later.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, Janaki Ramaya. Very good morning. How fortunate I am. You have come to my chamber for the first time. Please sit down. Looks like you have some important work with me. Tell me, how can I help you?
I have heard that I am being transferred to Adivikondapalli.
Oh, who told you this?
I came to know from Hanumantu and Maruti. They were mentioning that Nagaraju has told about this.
Oh, if Nagaraj would have told, then it could be true.
Anandrao sir, your words are so strange. Does it mean whatever Nagaraju says is true?
See, Janakramaya, you know how things happen in our office. I am helpless in this matter.
Anandrao sir, who is running this office? Is it you or Nagaraju?
As I know your character, since I trust you that you will not live anywhere, I'll speak my heart out.
Thank you for trusting me, sir. Please tell me. I will not reveal it anywhere.
As per our management policy, officers like us have to see that there is no strikes and unrest in office. If you fail to do so, either we may lose our job or we may be transferred to place like Adivikondapalli.
So, in order to safeguard your job, we all have to surrender to union leaders like Nagaraju?
I'm sorry, that is the fact.
For your selfishness, we all have to.
I accept the fact, Janakramaya. As your well-wisher, I have a small advice for you. Why do you take it to the extremes? Why don't you go to Nagaraju, wish him good morning, ask him how is he doing? This will satisfy his ego and he will not cause trouble to you.
I can't kill my self-respect, sir.
Look, Janakramaya, do you think God is incapable to bear all this?
What do you mean, sir?
God will not react immediately when there is anarchy. He will wait till the anarchism reaches its peaks. Once it gets uncontrollable, he'll take the human form to end the evil. So please take my advice.
Thanks for your advice.
Sir. Janakramaya sir, please wait. Sir. Janakramaya sir, please wait. Looking at your aggression, it appears that you'll have a fight with Nagaraju.
Yes, I cannot tolerate this anymore. I will end this once for all.
Sir, Nagaraju sir, Janakramaya is coming.
Haven't I told you? If I use that Adivikondapalli weapon, he will come to my feet.
It doesn't appear like that. He is very aggressive.
Don't worry, Maruti. I have many alternate weapons with me.
Nagaraju!
Wait, Janakramaya. You have gone to the officer and failed. If you had come to me in the first instance, I would have solved your problem.
I have not come for your solutions. I came here to put an end to your cruel deeds.
Cruel deeds? You mentioned my actions are cruel deeds? How dare you?
Nagaraju, put down your hand and behave yourself. First clarify me, on what basis are you transferring me to Adivikondapalli?
I don't have to clarify anyone. I am the supreme boss in the entire office. After seeing your headstrongness, I will definitely transfer you to Adivikondapalli.
Look Nagaraju, as told by my beloved Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba in his sweet words, whether living in the forest or in the sky, whether staying in a city or in a village, in the midst of the sea or with family, never will I forget you in my mind. As per his assurance, I am not bothered if you transfer me to Adivikondapalli or any other place. Goodbye.
I know he is headstrong, but he is beyond limits. I'll teach him a strong lesson in the appropriate time.
Oh omnipresent Bhagwan, you know everything. But still, I want to express my concerns. I am unable to bear Nagaraju's misdeeds and I had to fight back. As per your preachings, my intentions are not to harm him, but to set him in the right path. I want to offer myself at your lotus feet, Swami, and strictly follow your preachings of see good, do good, and be good. I am in the process of transforming myself, Swami. I have no negative intentions against him. Still, if I get transferred to Adivikondapalli, I will consider this as your wish and will follow accordingly. But Swami, please bless me so that I don't get any negative intentions against anyone, Swami. Sai Ram.
Janakramaya sir, there is a good news for you.
You say good news? But why is the staff in sad mood?
Forget about others. It's a good news to you.
Look, you twin jokers, when it is good news to me, how is it bad news to everyone? Just stop this nonsense and come to the point, okay?
Nagaraju has a massive heart attack today morning.
Oh my God. How could this happen to him in this young age?
It's not a surprise. He has all the bad habits.
You all are partners in his activities, right? But I don't understand one thing. How is it a good news to me?
Both of you are North and South Pole. Moreover, he raised hand on you and he was adamant to transfer you Advikondapalli.
How is this related now?
When enemy is in troubles, isn't it a good news?
Oh, what a depressing mentality. We may have had differences, but that doesn't mean that we want to see others in trouble. It is not your mistake. It is the effect of Kali Yuga. Anyways, in which hospital did he get admitted?
Since it was a serious attack, they have taken him to Getwell Hospital.
Oh, Janaki Ramaya, how come you are here?
I wanted to inquire about Nagaraju. How is he now? Did he get admitted?
With great difficulty, they got him admitted.
Why, Daniel? What is the matter?
They have demanded 1 lakh for admitting him.
All of a sudden? How can they get 1 lakh?
No, that's what we have our question.
We can pull 10,000 per head.
Where can we pull 10,000 per head, sir? That too in the month end. We are all salaried people.
Oh, so what did you do? How did he get admitted?
God has sent a doctor note to Mrs. Nagaraju, and with his influence, they have given 1 hour time to deposit the money.
But how can she get 1 lakh in 1 hour? That too in this crucial time?
Why will we take this headache, sir? As God has sent the money, and the same way He'll send someone with the money.
You are so disgusting. Is this the way to ICU?
Sir, why are we inviting troubles? Please leave it, sir.
As a colleague, I want to pray our beloved Bhagwan to grant him speedy recovery. I want to give this vibhuti to Mrs. Nagaraju to apply on his forehead.
Oh, is it? What a surprise. Do you think this vibhuti gonna cure him from this critical situation?
Mr. Daniel, you might have read many miracles of Jesus in Bible. To understand all the religions and all forms, I have read all the holy scriptures. I am telling you with all that knowledge, Bhagwan Baba has cured so many with this sacred vibhuti. He has cured chronic diseases where doctors have failed. Let me try to give this to Mrs. Nagaraju and apply it to his forehead.
Please go, sir. Who are we to stop you?
Are you Mrs. Nagaraju? I am Mr. Janakramaya.
Oh, so you are Mr. Janakramaya.
Why, sister? All of a sudden you have become dull?
I heard you and my husband are not in good terms.
Sister, there can be many issues in the office, but they are confined to office only. I have nothing personal against him. Please let me know if I can help you.
You considering me as your sister in this critical situation is a great blessing for me. All people who were around him and utilized his services have just come here as a formality. They even avoided talking to me, thinking I may ask for help.
Oh, I am very sorry.
There are many people who visited our house for dinners, parties, picnics, and also had favors from him. With some intimacy, I have requested for help, which they denied for lame reasons. In spite of all differences with my husband, you have come forward to help me.
Sister, all fingers are not alike. They may have their genuine reasons. Let's leave it. I came to know that hospital people have demanded 1 lakh in 1 hour.
How did you come to know that?
I have come to know from our colleagues waiting outside.
It's so embarrassing for me to ask for such a huge amount.
No problem, sister. I have recently sold my property in the village to pay the second installment of my new apartment. Since there is some more time, I have deposited it in the bank. I will get that money. In the meantime, please apply this vibhuti on Nagaraju's forehead.
Doctors may not allow, sir.
Please make your efforts sincerely. With God's grace, everything will be favorable. By the way, I came to know that you know one of the doctors in the hospital.
Yes, brother, you reminded me in the right time. Dr. Prasad is our family friend. He is also great devotee of Satya Sai Baba.
Oh, very good. Everything seems to be in our favor. So please go ahead and apply this vibhuti to Nagaraju immediately.
परमं विचित्रं
लीला विभूतिं परमार्थयिष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि।
Sairam, Janakramaya here.
Janakramaya sir, it's me, Nagaraju.
Oh, Nagaraju, please don't call me sir. Just call me Janakramaya. It sounds more personal. Came to know that you're recovering very fast. Sister has been updating me about your health condition.
I don't know what magic you have done. She's almost praising you every second.
Yeah. Brothers are always heroes to their sisters.
True. Can you come to the hospital once? I want to talk to you in person.
Definitely.
I'm very sorry, Janakramaya. I had the ego of being the union leader. I wanted all staff in the office to be under my control. With that ego, I have even raised my hand to trash you. I'm very sorry for that. Even I have planned to transfer you to foremost places like Adivikondapalli. I'm very sorry, Janakramaya.
Control yourself, Nagaraju. It is not good for your health. It is not good for your conditions. I will answer all your queries. Stay peacefully. I am a devotee of Sri Satya Sai Baba. I think you know that. As a devotee of Bhagwan, I am supposed to follow his preachings.
Does everyone follows?
The way there are rules and regulations for everything, spirituality also has its rules. Those who want to attain higher levels of spirituality will follow them, and the rest who take it casually will not follow and fall in the cycle of birth and death.
So, in this also you have mastered.
There are no masters or degrees in this. Every individual has to progress and has to introspect. Good or bad, every individual has to face the consequences of their actions.
Oh, leave it. I can't understand those complicated words. Just tell me one thing. You have hated me and my behavior. How come you come forward and help me in this critical situation?
For all your questions, Bhagwan Baba's preachings have the answer. He says, help ever, hurt never. And I have taken inspiration from this.
With that one preaching, you have forgiven all my mistakes and helped me with such kindness.
Knowingly or unknowingly, you have mentioned two beautiful words.
Who? Me?
Yes, you. Forgiveness and kindness. In spirituality, there is an immense way of worship called Ashtadala Padmaradhana.
Worshipping with 8 different flowers?
These are not the regular flowers. These are the flowers of behavior.
What are these flowers of behavior?
Ahimsa prathamam pushpam.
Ahimsa Pradhama Pushpam. Non-violence. Control over senses. Kindness on all living things. Forgiveness. Peace. Penance. Meditation. And speaking truth are the 8 flowers of worship.
Excellent. God has mentioned all the qualities which you possess.
Sir, stop flattering me. Practicing all these qualities in real life is the real worship to God.
So, in this, you have utilized forgiveness and kindness flowers?
It is not like that, Nagaraju.
Janakramaya, because of this heart attack, I came to know about your kindness and forgiveness, which has made me a human being. Even I too want to be like you. I understood how a good person can influence all the people. Janakramaya, can you please take me along with you to your Baba Bhajans?
He is not just my Baba. He is God for everyone. He has come in the human form for the betterment of the universe. The transformation in you and the urge to come to Baba Bhajans is purely His divine grace. I will definitely take you to His Bhajans.
तेरे जन्मदिन में साई तुझे कोटि प्रणाम करेंगे। तेरे जन्मदिन में साई तुझे कोटि प्रणाम करेंगे। तेरी जन्मभूमि में साई आए बिछड़े बहन भाई। तेरी जन्मभूमि में साई नवंबर को बाबा साई भजनों का गान करेंगे।
23 नवंबर को बाबा साई भजनों का गान करेंगे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा,
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा,
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू साई रामा।